How's it going, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. That is right, you guys read the title. We are going stage 2+ with this car. We are prepping the car, getting all the mods, getting all the things ready to get this car to 500 horsepower. And in today's video, we are going to record the final POV drive before we start a new series, which is the building series of the car. Yes, you guys, I am super excited to go stage 2+ with this car because I've had this car on stage 1 since the beginning, since I got the vehicle. I actually got the car that way, but now it's time to do some power mods. And yeah, people, we want more power, right?
Yeah, boy.
That's what we want to see. And so I want more power too. I want to have more fun. One thing I want to tell you guys is thank you for those who have supported me, who have watched the videos, and who have liked the videos. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. The goal for the next few months, you guys, is to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the post notifications so you guys get notified when I upload a brand new video to YouTube, you guys. So yeah, hit that button right now, stop the video, click pause, like, comment, and subscribe, and do your thing, you guys. So in today's video, you guys, the last thing I want to do is do a final POV drive before we get into modifying this car, you guys. And so what I'm going to do is mount the GoPro to my head and give you guys the final drive on the 400 horsepower B8 S4, you guys. So let me put on the GoPro so you guys get that nice POV. And yeah, here we go, guys. All right, you guys, this is where I'm gonna leave the video. The car is cooling down over there. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. The next video will be part 1 of getting the B8 S4 to 500 horsepower, you guys. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited for it. I got all the parts. Now I need the tune. I still need to get the tune and a couple of things, a couple of coolant lines and stuff, so the setup can be ready, you guys. With that being said, please subscribe because there's more to come, you guys. And then I don't know what we're gonna do after, but we're gonna keep building it. Maybe we'll do the aesthetic, make it look nice on the outside, and then after that, maybe get another car. We'll see how that goes, but that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, viewing, subscribing. Peace out, and God bless. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Pass in the lane, never slow, no change. Came with the flame, put the game to the shame. Waves can't catch me, speed of the sound.